بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله محمد صلى الله عليه وسلم. Welcome my dear students. Today we are going to study Unit 3 Lesson 7 and this is going to be on page 44 and 45 of your students books. So open your students books and be ready with your pens so that you can participate and jot down the information in your students books. Let's get started. In our lesson today, we've got a piece of grammar, form, meaning and function, future with be going to. We use be going to for the future to talk about plans like I'm going to travel to Jordan, I'm not going to visit Petra. Okay? Are you going to travel to Jordan? Yes, I am. No, I'm not. What are you going to do tonight? I'm going to watch a movie on TV. Are you doing anything on the weekend? Yes, I'm visiting my aunt. So we use going to or be going to talk about plans in the future. Another piece to remember in this review is the information questions. Information questions are those who start with double H question words like what, when, which, and their answers necessitate pieces of information thereupon. What are you going to do in your vacation? I'm going to travel to Africa. When is he going to leave? He's going to leave next week. Which countries is he going to visit? He's going to visit Tunisia and Morocco. How are we going to go? We're going to go by plane. Where am I going to stay? You're going to stay in a 4-star hotel. He's going to travel with them. They're going to travel with friends. How long are they going to stay? They're going to stay for a month. So as you can see here, each and every question word asks for a particular piece of information. Another thing to consider in this review is the position of adjectives. In a position of adjectives, we have Antarctica is an exotic place. Here the adjective comes just before the noun it modifies. In the other case, Antarctica is exotic. Now the adjective comes just after the verb to be. So how many cases do we have for adjectives? 2 cases. Either before the nouns they modify or just after the verb to be. Okay? Now, here we've got an exercise. Complete the article, use the adjectives in the box. Okay? Are you ready? Jazan is southwestern Saudi Arabia. It is a coastal city on the Red Sea. It is the capital city of Jazan province near the Yemeni border. Although it is a small province, it has a blank population of 1.5 million inhabitants. The terrain of the region is varied, consisting of mountains, blank plains, coasts, and islands. Can you think? Okay. That's good. Yeah, a dense population. Right. Carry on. Here we get the answers. Yes, have a screenshot. That's okay. So, yes, a dense population of 1.5 million inhabitants. The terrain, of the region is varied, consisting of mountains, fertile plains, coasts, and islands. Jazan is famous for its local products, especially its tropical fruits like mango, figs, and papaya. Okay, that's right. Another piece of grammar we need to consider now is the present progressive. Use the present progressive for actions happening now or for definite arrangements in the future. So we either use the present progressive to talk about running actions at this very moment, or contemporary actions, or future arrangements. My friends are waiting for me at the airport. Now, he means. What are you doing now? My friends are arriving tomorrow. What are you doing tonight? Arrangements. Future with going to and will. We use be going to talk about plans. Use will and maybe or probably for uncertain or indefinite plans. Like, what are you going to do in your vacation? Where will you stay? I'm going to travel to Europe. Maybe I will stay with friends. I'm not going to travel this year. I probably won't stay in a hotel. Now the expressions for the future. I'm leaving tomorrow night. This year we will go on vacation to Al Ula, Saudi Arabia. They're flying to Oman on Thursday. Harry, they will be here soon. I'm meeting her in an hour. We will sit examinations next month. Now unscramble these sentences. Okay, from the workbook. Exercise C. Exactly. He nearly got into a car accident. Yeah. You've barely eaten anything. So here we got the answers. You've barely eaten anything. Is the light bright enough? Can you see the word enough coming at the end of the sentence? I scarcely know his name. Look at the word scarcely comes before the simple verb it modifies. He very frequently goes to Asia. The potatoes aren't cooked well, quite perfectly. Okay. Circle the correct adverb of degree in each sentence. And here we got the answers. Again. There aren't, should we say, enough or scarcely room for us at this hotel. Some people can stay here, but other people will have to go to another hotel. So it sounds like enough. Yeah, it is cold in the winter in Finland. People need to wear a lot of clothes to stay warm. So it is extremely cold. And so on. Here we got the answers. And with this we've come to the end of our class. Thank you so much and wait for me in other classes. See you.